Bakit din nasa L? May tip sa amin, L daw.
Next question for the men. Les is a loyal friend.
No.
And is part of a girls group. This girls group are her childhood friends. Way back when she was in high school. What is the name of that group sorority? L, big. E, small. S, besties. Heart, none of the above.
Go!
So ano yung sagot? And the correct answer is
D! Okay.
okay. Big. Mamaya na tayo magpa-video. Gusto pa nilang maglaro eh. Okay. Oh, sige. Because it's big, what is the meaning of big?
Okay.
Malaki!
That's my sorority.
Malaki ang puso!
What's the meaning?
Massive.
Sobra. She likes poking. Okay. Nearly.
Beauty and grace.
Ay, kasi yun, pre.
Dito tayo magkakatanong. Les has a phobia. Question muna, bakit alam ni Mr. Warren mo rin ang big?
Ay, oo.
Narinig ko sa telepono!
Nag-uusap kami ni Ella ng question, nakikialam. Eh, alam niya.
Parang sa big lang naman.
Oo.
Les has a phobia.
Kari!
That
Huwag kay Kari!
not everybody knows. She's scared of L, spiders, E, stuffed toys, S, dolls, hard heights.
Uy, wala na yung ano. Ano yung pinagdadaw? E?
Takot siya sa spiders, L, E, stuffed toys, S, dolls, hard heights.
Wala ba yung Kari choice? Wala Kari choice?
Spiders.
Okay. The correct answer is dolls. O, ikwento mo bakit takot.
Bakit dolls? Bakit dolls nga?
Okay.
I've been scared of dolls because since I watched the movie Chucky. Yeah.
Okay, the correct answer is
Dolls! S, wala na silang letter.
wala. Hindi kayo na, nasa E kayo. Okay.
Okay, next.
Yeah.
When we were small kids, Les used to hide this very important food for her. While we are eating all together and having breakfast, that food is already down the table. What is this? Is it L, pandesal, E, tocino, S, longganisa, heart, hotdog?
Uy, dapat pagkakahiwalay kayo, walang mananalo.
L. Ito ang laging
Iwalay, iwalay.
Ito ang laging tinatago niya. L, pandesal, E, tocino, S, longganisa, heart, hotdog. So, L, pandesal, ang lagi niyang tinatago. E, tocino, S, longganisa, heart, hotdog.
The correct answer is hotdog.
Sorry! Gig lang! Gig lang!
Nanalo si Tony.